How to create a game pass in Please Donate. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a game pass and put it on your donation stand. First, open Roblox and sign into your account. Tap 3 dots in the top left corner. Scroll down and tap Create. Open the navigation menu in the top left corner and select Creations. Now, select the experience or place you want to use. Open the navigation menu again and scroll down to Monetization. Tap Passes. Next, tap Create a Pass. Give your Game Pass a name, such as Donation, and add a description if you want. Then tap Create Pass. Once the pass has been created, open it from your list. Open the navigation menu and select Sales. Turn on Item for Sale. Now enter the amount of Robux you want to charge for the donation button. Tap Save Changes and complete any confirmation steps that appear. Next, open Please Donate in Roblox. Find an empty donation stand and claim it. Once your Game Pass is available and properly configured, the donation button should appear on your stand. And that's it. You've successfully created a Game Pass for donations in Please Donate. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more Roblox tips and tutorials.